32, 49.
32.
29, then 30 also, then 32,
49.
49.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. And
55.
55. Any other? No? Okay.
Ma'am, in the 49 question, I'm getting the n square by 2, but the answer is n square.
Let me check. Yes, one by one we will solve. 29th one. Sum of 10 terms of an AP is 21 and sum of first 10 terms is 120. Find its nth term. Okay. A10 is equal to 21 and S10 is 120. Find nth term. And you have to calculate. A10 is given, S10 is given. A10 is what?
A plus 90.
A plus 90 is equal to 21. Now S10 is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Sn is 120. S10, that is S10. N is 10. Then it is 10 by 2 into A plus, what is An? That is A10, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So sum of 10 terms you have to find out. So what is the nth term in that sequence? 10th term it will be the nth term. So this is 120 is equal to 5 into A plus 10th term we know, which is 21. So this is 120 by 5, which is 24, is equal to A plus 21. So what is the value of A?
3.
3. Okay, and then solve this. 3 plus 90 is equal to 21. 90 is equal to 18. So D is equal to 2. Or if you can't solve this method, you can use normal 2A plus n minus 1 into 2D. That also way you will get one equation, then solve those two equations. That also can be done. No problem. Okay, clear? So you got A value as 3, D value as 2. Then find the value of An. A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. 3 plus 2n minus 2. So 2n plus 1 is nth term. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I have used this formula. You can use second formula and then also you can solve, no problem. Thirtieth question I already made bold. Mark it. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 63 and sum of its next 7 terms is 161. So if this is a AP, first term, 7th term, and then next one will be 8th term till 70. Sum of next 7 terms, that means from 8, 7 terms, which will be the last term?
50.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 14. So from A8 plus A9 plus 10th term plus 11th term plus 12th term plus 13th term plus 14th term. The sum of this one is 161. Sum of the numbers from this to this is 161. And sum of the numbers from 1 to 7 is 63. So we have S7 is equal to 63. Can we find out sum of 14 terms total?
Yes, ma'am.
That is equal to
161 plus 60.
sum of all of them. These two sum is the total sum from 1 to 14.
220.
Right? 63 plus 161. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This 224. Because till 7, the sum is 63. After 7, the 8th term. So from 8th term to 14th term, sum is 161. So if we add 63 and 161, we will get the sum of first 14 terms. Right? So we got sum of 7 term is 63 and sum of 14 terms is 224. Now solve with the normal method. S7 is equal to 63. That means 7 by 2, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. That is 7 minus 1, which is 6d is equal to 63. Take 2 common. 7 by 2 into 2 in bracket a plus 3d is equal to 63. 2 get cancelled and 7 will be transferred to other side. A plus 3d is equal to 63 by 7 is 9. This is first equation. Second equation S14 is equal to 224. 14 by 2 into 2a plus 14 minus 1 is 13. D is equal to 224. So we can't take 2 common. So this is 7 za. Now transfer 7 to RHS. 2a plus 13d is equal to 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are. This is second equation. Now solve these two equations. Multiplying 1 with 2 and then subtracting 2. Multiplying first with 2, it will become 2a plus 60 is equal to 18. And second equation, 2a plus 13d is equal to 32. Subtracting. So this get cancelled. 6 minus 13 is minus 7d is equal to minus 14. D is 2. Then substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of a. A will come 3. A is equal to 9 minus 3d. 9 minus 3 2s are 6, that is 3.
Ma'am, you can cancel 55th question. I got it.
Okay. So find the 28th term, not sum of a 28 terms, 28th term. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is which question?
32nd question.
32nd. So basically same as fifth question. Third and fifth, exactly. Completed 30th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Nth term of an AP is given by minus 4n plus 50. Find the sum of 20 terms. Can you form the AP from this? An is equal to minus 4n plus 15. So what is the AP? To form AP or first term, what we have to do?
N is equal to 1.
We
and
need only first term and the sum of 20 terms they are asking. No? So 20th term, that's only we need. So A is equal to
11.
how?
Minus 4 plus 15.
N is equal to 1, you have to substitute. A is what? N is 1. Minus 4 and plus 15, that is 11. And what is 820? Substitute N as 20. Minus
65
4
minus
Minus
65.
65.
is equal to minus 65. So you have to calculate S20. So what is S20? 20 by 2 in bracket A plus AN. N by 2 into A plus AN. A is 11, AN is minus 65. So 10 into minus 55, that is minus 550.
Ma'am, 40. 11 minus 65 minus 54.
Oh, okay, 11. I've done 10 only. Minus 540. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 49th.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. So odd natural number starts from
1.
1.
1, 3, 5, so on. How many? N. So here it is sum Sn you have to calculate. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So n is n only. A plus what is nth term?
N.
N only. So difference is n by 2, A is 1 plus n. No, wait. N natural numbers. They are
other
asking.
formula.
No. You cannot use this one because nth term cannot be n. Nth term of the sequence because it is not a 1, 2, 3, 4. It is difference is 2. So we can't use this formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, difference is 2. So n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. So this 2 to get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. So 2 to get cancelled, n into n square. You are calculating square by this method, right? Finding the square. Completed? Any other doubt?
Yes.
Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then the questions in those box, which are very important. Starting with 38th. Sum of the first n terms of an AP is given 3n square plus 6n. They have given Sn. Sn is equal to 3n square plus 6n. And you have to calculate an. Now, remember, see what to do. Now, see the first part. What is S1? We have learned earlier. What is S1? S1 is the first term only. A only. S1 is equal to A. What is S2?
A2.
A plus
A
A2.
plus
plus
A2.
A2.
A plus A2. Yes.
A plus A2, right? And what is A? Just 1 second.
First term.
Now here, A is S1. So S1 is equal to A. What is S2 means? A plus A2.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is A? A is S1. So it is S1 plus A2 is equal to S2. S3 is equal to A plus A2 plus A3. So what is A plus A2?
S2.
2 plus
S2.
A3.
S2. So that means S3 is equal to S2 plus A3. Similarly, what is S4?
S3 plus A4.
S3 plus A4.
S3 4 plus A4, right? Now A1, how to calculate the value of A2? If S2 is equal to S1 plus A2, then A2 will be
S2 minus S1.
S2 minus S1. From the sum of two terms, if we subtract the sum of one term, we will get the second term. Are you able to understand this?
Can you repeat that A2 part?
S2 is equal to S1 plus A2 you got. Now what is A2? S1 transfer it to RHS, LHS. S2 minus S1 is equal to A2. That means value second term, how we can calculate? If we know second sum of two terms minus sum of one term, we will get the second term. 1 and 3, 5, 7, these are there. So what is S1 here?
1,
S1 is 1. What is S2?
4, 3 plus 1.
3 plus 1, 4. Now if you do 4 minus 1, what you will get? Second term you will get it. Right? Now what is S3? 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. So from 9, if you subtract the sum of two terms, that is 4, what you will get? From sum of three terms, sum of two terms, if you subtract, what you will get? Third term?
Third term.
Now
Yes.
from the similarly, fourth term is sum of four terms is 16. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
from 16, if you subtract 9, so 16 is what? The sum of four terms. From that, if you subtract sum of three terms, what you will get? The fourth
Fourth
term.
term.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So A2 is equal to S2 minus A1. S3 is equal to S3 minus S2. A4 is equal to
S4 minus S3.
S4 minus S3. A5 is equal to
S5 minus S4.
5 minus S.
S5 minus S4, right?
Yes.
A6 term is equal to
S6
S6
minus
minus
S5.
6 minus S5.
S5. 25th term is equal to
S24 minus S.
S25 minus S24.
S25 minus S24, right?
Yes.
So what is AN?
Sn
AN
minus
minus
Sn
AN minus
minus
1.
Sn minus 1.
Sn minus Sn minus 1.
Yeah. So Sn minus S of n minus 1. So this is n minus 1 in bracket. The earlier term sum of earlier terms. Clear? Understood this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
First write it down.
Written, ma'am.
Now come back to the question. Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have Sn. So can we calculate S1, S2, S3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is S1? In place of n1 we have to substitute, right? S1 is what? In place of n we have to substitute 1. So 3 into 1 square plus 5, 6 into 1,
9.
9. What n is equal to 2, then we will get S2. That is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 6 into 2.
24.
4 3s are 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Now n is equal to 3. Then we will get S3 is equal to 3 into 3 square plus 6 into 3. That
39.
is 9
39.
3 are 27 plus 18.
Oh,
3 square is 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 18. 45.
yes, ma'am.
Right? We got S1, S2, S3. Now what is A1? A1, that is A, is equal to S1, that is 9. A2 is equal to
S1 plus A2.
S1,
A2.
S2
A3,
minus
A3.
S2 minus S1. That is 24 minus 9, which is 15. What is A3? Third term.
S3 minus S2.
S3 minus S2. So what is S3? 45 minus 24. That is 21. Right? So we got A, A2, A3. That means AP we got. So AP is equal to 9, 15, 21, and so on. We got AP.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we have to calculate? Nth term of an AP we have to calculate. That means we have to calculate AN. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 9 plus N minus 1 into D is 6. So 9 plus 6N minus 6. This is 6N plus 3. Clear? So first from S1, S2, S3 you have to calculate. After that calculate A, that is A1, A2, A3. So you will get AP and then check out whichever the question they have asked. Clear? This question is asked for 3 marks or 5 marks. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thirty-ninth one. Yes, how to do 39th?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in the 39 question, the S2 and S3 both are coming 6.
Yes, ma'am. For me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, but S1 is 4. So then it will not be in AP.
They will be. Find out first AP.
Ma'am, even S4 is 4.
No problem. It will come.
So the AP is 4, comma 6, comma 6.
That is S1, S2, S3, not A1, A2, A3.
Oh, yeah, okay.
S1 is n is equal to 1. So 5 minus 1, it is 4. S2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 2 square. 5 2 is a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. S3 is equal to 5 into 3 minus 3 square. 9. 5 is a 15 minus 9, 6. S4 is equal to 5 into 4 minus 4 square. 20 minus 16 is 4 again. So what is A1? A, that is S1, which is equal to 4. A2 is equal to
2.
S2 minus S1, that is 6 minus 4, 2. A3 is equal to
S3 minus S2.
S3 minus S2, that is 6 minus 6, 0.
0.
A4 is equal to S4 minus S3, that is 4
Minus 2.
minus 6 minus 2. So what is AP? 4, 2, 0, minus 2. Now are these terms in AP or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is you have to calculate? Nth term. Calculate. A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 4 plus n minus 1. D is minus 2 into minus 2. So 4 minus 2n plus 2. 6 minus 2n. Clear? So 140, 41. What happened, Krish?
Nothing, ma'am. Why, ma'am?
No, I was thinking what you were thinking. You were not solving. I thought you have some doubt.
No, ma'am.
Ruhi, which question? Yes, Ruhi, which question you're doing?
Ma'am, I'm in the 46th question.
46.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rupika, can you tell the values of S1, S2, S3 from 40th?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the value of S1 is 6, S2 is 20, and S3 is 42.
S3 is 42. Okay, so what are A1, A2, A3?
A1 is 6, A2 is 14, A3 is 22.
22. Okay, so AP is 6, 14, and 22. So what is nth term? Okay.
Minus 2 plus 8.
Class till 5:30.
Continue.
Ma'am,
What you are asking, Arav?
Class till 5:30.
No, it will be today 5:15.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 42nd question, it's mth term, it says.
Yeah, mth term means any other term.
Okay.
Some of the term, you have to find the position of that term. Pritham, 41st, S1, S2, S3.
Ma'am, S1 is means 41, no, ma'am. S1
41st,
is
yeah.
7. Yes, 7. ma'am.
7.
S2 is 13. S3 is 19.
So A1, A2, A3.
One second. Ma'am, A is 7.
How you wrote?
Ma'am,
S2 is
S2 is
13 is
20.
wrong. It is not 13. You have told me, I think so, A1, A2, A3 values.
Ma'am, S2 is 16.
16?
20.
Ma'am, 20.
20.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I told A1, A2, A3 value. I
Yeah.
didn't see that, yeah.
So S3
S3 is 39.
is
7 and 13. A3 is 19. Yeah, sorry,
so
ma'am.
AP is 7, 13, and 19. So what is the 25th term then?
Ma'am, 25th term is equal to A plus 24D, which is 7 plus 24 into 6, which is 7 plus 144, which is 151.
Ma'am, the photo you sent in the group had switched my video before and after.
Sum of the first n terms of an AP is 5n square plus 3n. If its mth term is 168, find the value of m. And then also find the 20th term of this AP. So you have to first form the AP. So what is that? For that, you need to find the value of S1, S2, and S3. So what is S1? Tejasvi?
8.
8.
26, S2, and S3 is 54.
54. So A1, that is A.
A is 8.
8, A2,
18.
18, and A3,
28.
28. So you got the AP as
8, 18, 28, dot, dot, dot.
dot, dot, dot. Now, if from this AP, there is one of the term is 168.
Yes, ma'am.
So find the mth term. That means m is the position of 168. So we have to find the position.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, in this AP somewhere 168 is present. So we have to write the position of this. We have to calculate. Position is m. So m term, that means am is equal to 168. A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 168.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
A is 8 plus m minus 1 into d is 10 is equal to 168. So 8 will be transferred. M minus 1 into 10 is equal to 160. M minus 1 equal to 16. M is equal to 17.
Yes, ma'am.
And then also you have to calculate 20th term. A20 you have to calculate.
A plus 19D.
A plus 19D. 8 plus 19 into 10. That is 8 plus 190. So answer is 198.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have doubts in the 43rd question and 47th question. I'm not getting the answer.
Even I'm not getting in 43rd question.
Forty-third is exactly same as 42nd. Only thing instead of n, till now whatever question is given, find sum of n terms of an AP. Now here instead of n, they have used q. So sum of q terms of an AP is 63q minus 3q square. And another term of the same AP is minus 60. Find the value of p. Meaning remains same, only the variables they have changed. So SQ is equal to 63Q minus 3Q square. So find S1, S2, S3. S1 equal to, Ruhi?
Ma'am, it's 60.
63, 60. Then S2?
Ma'am, S2 is 54.
54. And S3?
Ma'am, I didn't calculate S3. I just used 2 for this one.
63 into 3 minus 3 into 3 square. 189 minus 9, 3 is a 27. 2, 6,
Ma'am, 162.
So
Ma'am,
A1,
S2
yeah.
I'm getting
ma'am, S2 is
114.
114.
How is this possible?
63 into 2.
Oh, ma'am,
126.
I'm so sorry. I mixed the value of like A2 and S2.
12.
Yes, ma'am, it's 114. I mixed the values.
114.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is 82 then? 114
Ma'am,
minus 60, that is
ma'am, that's
54.
54.
And A3 is 162 minus 114. 8, 4. 48. How it is? No, something is wrong. Q minus question of that. Yes, right. No, 60, 54, 48.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
60, yeah. Here it is decreasing. Sit. This 6, right? AP is equal to 60, 54, 48, and so on. Difference is minus 6. A is 60. Then they are asking AP. is equal to minus 60. So A plus P minus 1 equal to minus 60. What is A value? 60 plus into D. P minus 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 60. So this 60 will go that side. P minus 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 60 minus 60. This is minus 120 divided by minus 6 is equal to P minus 1. 20. P minus 1 equal to 20. So P is equal to 21. So they are asking Pth term and also find the 11th term. So A11 you have to find out. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I've taken 6 instead of minus 6, so never a mistake.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the 47th question.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
All questions till 47?
No, ma'am, I'm at 45.
Completed. Now those questions you can complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Similar questions are those. The next is 56 question. Till 55 you already have solved.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever the questions right now you are solving, keep space for that. Okay, remaining questions. Now 56 questions, see what they have asked. First one you can solve easily. The problem with the second one. So you have to find sum of all integers between 100 and 550. That means the number starts from
101.
101.
till
549.
549.
549, right? Now in these numbers, we have to find out the numbers divisible by 9. So starting from first term is 108. Okay, because 99 is the earlier number which is divisible by 9. So 99 plus 9 is 108. So 108 is the first number which is divisible by 9. Second number is 117, 6126. And the last number is 549 is divisible by 9. So we have to find the sum of all these terms. So how many terms are there that you have to first find out, then only we can use SN formula. So position of 549. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 549 is equal to 108 plus N minus 1 into 9. 549 minus 108. So N minus 1 into 9. So it is 144. 441 by 9 is equal to N minus 1. 441, right? So it is 9 ones are 36, 881, 849. 49 plus 1, that is 50 is equal to N. So there are totally 50 terms. So 50 numbers divisible by 9. So we have to find out S50. Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus An. So it is N is S50 is equal to 50 by 2. First term is 108 and the last term is 549. 25 into 657. 164. 16425 is the sum of numbers which are divisible by 9. Right? Now how to find out numbers not divisible by 9? Sum of the numbers which are not divisible by 9. How to find out?
Ma'am, we can find the sum of all numbers
Total
between,
sum
ma'am,
minus.
Yes, you have to find out the sum of all the terms between, that is from 101 to 549, and from that you have to subtract some of these 50 terms, numbers which are divisible by 9. Then you will get the remaining sum. Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
here sum of numbers not divisible by 9 is equal to sum of all numbers minus sum of numbers divisible by 9. So we have to calculate sum of all numbers. Is equal to Sn n by 2 into, but this is position of n you have to calculate. We don't know n. So first term is 101, last term is 549. But we need to calculate n. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is 549. So you can directly find out by this one, 549 minus 101 plus 1. N minus 1, difference is 1. So 549 minus 101 is equal to n minus 1. So it is 844 plus 1 is n. So n is equal to 449. So 449 by 2 into this sum is 10, 5, 650. So 449 into 325. So multiply this. This is, you will get it sum of all terms. From this sum, you have to subtract the number of sum of numbers divisible by 9. That is 16,425 that you have to subtract. So 449 into 325. First we need to multiply. 129500. Understood how to find?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
it's not that clear.
What happened?
Like sum of all numbers after the arithmetic.
Sum of all numbers. What are the numbers are from? Numbers are between 100 and 550. 100 and 550. So what are the numbers you have to include?
Except 100 and 550.
So that is 101 to 549. All the numbers.
Yeah.
So sum of all the numbers you have to calculate.
Yeah.
So all the numbers, they are in AP.
Yes,
With difference 101, 102, 103, 104 till 549. So you have to calculate the sum of all those terms.
Yes.
So how to calculate that? Sum of all the numbers. That is your AP is 101, 102, 103 till 549. So what is the position of 549? That you need to calculate n value.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is 549 is equal to 101 plus n minus 1 into difference is 1. So what is the answer? And we will get 449. So there are totally 449 terms are there.
Yes.
So we have to calculate the sum. N is 449 by 2 into A plus AN. A is 501 and AN is 549.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So from sum of all the numbers, if we subtract the numbers, sum of numbers which are divisible by 9, we will get the remaining number sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Now clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
Understood everyone? Have you solved?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question 3 and question 4 look same.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why it is 2 times? And the answer is also different.
Ma'am, it's not the same.
Ma'am, first
Ma'am, it's
one
not the
is
same.
5 and 2 or 5 is given in the two questions.
No, second and third. Third and fourth.
Ma'am, it's written between
third.
and then fourth one it's from.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, between is 2 to 499 and from is 1 to 500.
Yes,
ma'am.
the all integers between 1 and 500. That means it will start from 2 and ends at 499. Right? Which are multiples of 2 as well as of 5. That means a number should be multiple of 2 also and multiple of 5 also. So which is that number?
10.
10.
10. So all the multiples of 10 you have to find out. Because LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So every multiple of 10 is divisible by 2 and 5 both. So your AP will be starting from all the multiples of 10. So your AP will start from 10 till 490.
And the second one, 10
Oh,
and
4 it is starting from 10, 20, 30 till 490. And in the second part here, the fourth question, from 1 to 500. So AP will start from
10 only.
Same 10, 20, 30, but till
500. 500.
500, not 490. So some of these terms you have to calculate. Here, some of these many terms you have to calculate. Clear difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then all the integers. Now here, this is 5-mark question. All the integers from 1 to 500, which are multiples of 2 or 5.
We have to solve both, ma'am.
2 or 5 means it can be 2 or it can be 5 or it can be 2 and 5 both.
Ma'am, so we have to show 3 cases.
Now there are, you have to add the multiples of 2. You have to find the sum of, first you have to calculate multiples of 2 from all between 1 to 500. Then second, multiples of 5 you have to calculate. Right? Now in this case, you are adding 10, 20, 30. And here also you are adding 10, 20, 30. That means all the multiples of 10, you have added how many times?
Twice.
Twice, 2 times. But we need 1 time only. Because 10 we will count only 1 time, right? While adding the numbers, 10 has to be counted 1 time only. Right? But we have counted 2 times. That is 1 time 10's multiples we have to subtract.
And then we have to subtract what are the value we got from the fourth question.
So third, it is you have to calculate the multiples of 10 also. And what you have to do to find the total sum, total SN is equal to sum of multiples of 2 plus sum of multiples of 5 minus sum of multiples of 10. Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So here sum of 2 you have to calculate, sum of 5 you have to calculate, sum of 10 you have to calculate. You already calculate sum of 10 in the earlier question, fourth one. And then in this way you have to write. So sum of 2 and 5 you have to add, and 10's sum you have to subtract once.
Ma'am, should we again show the us taking out multiples of 10?
No, don't show. Here
Okay.
it is not needed to show. But in exam, if this question is there, then you have to solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Could you please show this again? I don't know. I got some internet issue and I got logged out, so I didn't hear what you said for this part.
Sum of you have to find out the sum of all the numbers between 1 to 500, from 1 to 500, which are multiples of 2 also and 5 also.
Okay.
So what you have to multiply, you have to find the multiples of 2 first.
Yes, ma'am.
Then all the multiples of 5 also we have to add.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what you have done in multiples of 2, all the multiples of 10 you have counted.
Yes, ma'am.
And even the same numbers are counted in multiples of 5 also.
Yes, ma'am.
That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 till 500. You have added 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 time you need to subtract.
Yes, ma'am. I got
So
it.
we have to find the multiple of 10 and 1 time you have to subtract.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the questions you have to solve? This is 56. Remaining questions of 56 you have to complete. 57. Then 57 fully you have to do.
Okay.
Then 58, 59, 61.
And that's level 2.
Yeah, level 2 version. 61. So whichever you can solve, I'm telling you. 61, then 63. 64, 65, 66, you can't solve. 67. That's it.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
before 61, which are questions?
Before 61. 58, 59.
Ma'am,
Okay.
after 63, 67.
After 63, you have to solve 67.
Okay, ma'am.
Middlemost term, sum of all 11 terms, AP is middlemost term. So we should do first. Okay, fine. That much enough.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Tomorrow class you will tell, right?
Yeah, I will message you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
It will be the same time. If it is there, it is in the same time. I'm not changing the timing. Only thing I should be available because tomorrow I need